Now you see this question. One branch of cos inverse other than the principal value branch corresponds to. You have the idea of principal value branch of cos inverse x. The principal value branch is the closed interval 0 to pi. Now we have to find the branch of cos inverse x other than the principal value. You know the domain and range of cos function. Domain of cos function is set of real number. Range is closed interval -1 to +1. While defining the inverse of cos function, we take the domain of the function as the closed interval -1, 1, and we will take a suitable range such that the function is 1, 1 and onto. And in the principal branch, we take the closed interval 0, pi so that the function is 1, 1 and onto. Instead of taking the interval as 0, pi, you can take the other intervals. Then also the function may be 1, 1 and onto. Now let us check one by one. If you take this graph of the function, you can analyze very easily. Here you can observe the principal branch of the cos inverse x is 0 to pi, that is in between 0 to pi. The function is both 1, 1 and onto. It takes all the values in between -1 to +1, and for two different elements in this interval we will have the different images, and hence the function is 1, 1 and onto, and the function is invertible. If we take the first option, that is pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, and in this interval pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, you can observe it will not take the positive values. Cos function will take only negative values. Therefore, the function is not onto. And even it is not 1, 1 because for different values have the same image. Therefore, the function is neither 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, the first option is wrong. If you take the second option, and if you take the closed interval pi to 2 pi, that is in the interval pi to 2 pi, the function cos function is both 1, 1 and onto. But here the element 3 pi by 2 is eliminated, and hence there is no pre-image for 0, and therefore the function is not 1, 1 and onto. This option is also wrong. And in the third option, both 0 and pi are eliminated. Cos 0 is 1 and cos pi is -1. There is no pre-image for -1 and +1. Therefore, the function is not 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, the interval open interval 0, pi is also wrong. And if you take this last interval 2 pi to 3 pi, you can observe 2 pi to 3 pi. Here 2 pi, this is the point 2 pi, and this is 3 pi. In between 2 pi to 3 pi, cos function takes all the values in between -1 to +1, and for two distinct elements in this have the different image, and therefore this interval, if we take, that is 2 pi to 3 pi, the function is both 1, 1 and onto, and hence the function is invertible, and this is the other branch of the cos inverse, so that the function is 1, 1 and onto. Like this, it is possible to write the many branches for cos inverse x other than the principal branch. Similarly, we can also write the other branch for other inverse trigonometric functions. And the correct answer for this question is option D.